right, good evening everyone, and thank you for joining me. My name is Angela Calla, and I'm here today with Sharon and Jerry, who are two very happy first-time home buyers, which has generally been fueling the market in today's economy because the fundamentals have never made as much sense as they do today with interest rates at record lows. And so we thought we'd talk today with Jerry and Sharon in respect to how they made the decision to become homeowners and what the difference is in respect to rent, and how we put together a mortgage strategy for them and how comfortable they felt in the process. So Sharon and Jerry, just to talk a little bit about the process, you were sharing with me today that actually buying your dream home in Langley, which brings you closer to your mom, is actually cheaper than your rent.
Yes, that's amazing. Didn't expect that at all.
Yeah. How much a month are you saving really in your payments?
It's
Well, we're doing the bi-weekly thing, so it's going to be, I'm not sure altogether. Too many numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, too many numbers, but I think we said almost $200.
Yeah.
Less than your rent initially.
Yeah.
Definitely. And then with some of the insurance costs as well that we were talking about, that's going to be a little bit reduced for you as well.
Right, yeah.
And you got in with 5% down payment. And we worked on a mortgage plan to have you pay your mortgage off significantly sooner than if we took advantage of some of the other options that were out there. And that's really the reason why people have homeownership today. How did you feel about the experience when you first contacted my office?
It was great. Yeah. Very easy to talk to, and
Very
made it a lot
friendly,
easier
very
than I
straight
thought
ahead.
it would be.
Cool. Yeah, that was one of the things that you mentioned to me on the phone, because I called Jerry and the day after you had all your documents into me, I kind of talked you through the process of what some of the lending institutions would view to better position you. And you got all those documents together, and within a day, once we had it, we had your accepted offer, and I had you approved, so that must have been surprising.
It was amazing how fast it went,
Yeah.
for sure. It was very quick and easy, pretty well.
Definitely, and that's all part of the positioning, you know. The best experience and the experiences that we share is when we have all the documents together from the clients. It's very easy, it's very quick, and we get it done as soon as possible. Now, let's talk today about some of the options that we showed you and how we took the time to show you how we're here for you throughout the life of your mortgage. How did you feel about that? Would you definitely see the advantages of working with someone like myself?
Oh, by far, yeah. It's a pretty scary experience normally, and I feel confident now that
You feel really comfortable.
there.
Nice to know that you're going to be there on a regular
Yeah.
basis. We're going to get emails on a regular basis of interest rate changes because we took a variable and, just a long-term
Yeah, it
support
feels
there.
good, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
sure.
you know, in the experiences that you've dealt with in the past, you go somewhere, you've got to call an 800 number, you're dealing with different people all the time. This
Right.
feels good that with such a large investment, you've got somebody there. And, you know, we were talking about the offer that's available today, although this is the best offer in the market. We talked about the 300 different types of products and all the different terms where we've saved you additional money. You know, with some situations that are similar to yours, you know, some lenders might look at them a little bit differently, and we were able to save you at least $8,000 in insurance premiums alone. So
Right.
that's a savings of $40 a month in addition to everything else. So
Yeah, and we're pretty happy with what the payments are going to be, and we're surprised how low it is actually for the deal.
should have done this years ago.
Yeah.
no problem, you know. And when we talked today about some of the fundamentals, if you did buy 2 years ago compared to today, this is fundamentally when it's right for you, and that's the only time that we help clients make the best decision is when we've gone through all the fundamentals and we go through the things that are important, and we're always going to be here to do that for you.
It's nice to have that support
It's a good
for sure.
feeling,
Yeah,
yeah.
non-stop.
That's awesome. So what advice would you give to anyone who would be considering getting a mortgage today?
Who's thinking of getting one? Yeah, get in now. I mean, it seems like the time to do it.
Yeah,
And talk to Angela. She was great.
Yeah,
Very helpful.
yeah.
that's great. So you guys know
And we
that
had a
there's-
great reference from some good friends who you recently helped out. So that it was word of mouth was
That's right.
it's nice to trust, because you know somebody that's just gone through it recently. So.
That's right. I had Tony and Anna in the office
That's
as
right.
well. I didn't have my camera that day, but if I did,
Call them up, get down here.
I'll call them up. We're gonna get them down here. And you know one thing with Tony and Anna is there was 2 cards that were in my my booklet there, and they put it in their cell phone. So I don't know if when Tony gave you my number, he had it in cell phone. But you know, we're here for you throughout the life of your mortgage. The good news is when you started getting pre-approved with us as well, is you got to kind of see a little bit about how we work to help you manage your mortgage because you already started getting the normal communication that you get when you're a regular client. So I hope that helps, and I want you guys to know that it's been an absolute pleasure helping you, and I look forward to the years to come when we can continue to plan and help you guys
We'll be
along.
talking regularly, I'm sure.
Definitely. All right, well, it's such a pleasure.
Thank you
you
so
so much
much.
for coming down tonight.
Thanks,
And,
Angela.
yeah, it's nice to meet you.
You too.
Thank you very much. We'd love to tell your story and help you with your mortgage. If you have any questions, what number should they call, Sharon and Jerry?
Oh, your number.
Oh, there it is. 604-802-3983.
Great. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.